Welcome to my channel. Your tutor Mariam's here. It's a fourth video about measurement, which is the first chapter of Introductory Physics 1. I'm going to solve two problems to show you how to convert units, as I got a couple of comments from the last video that you guys asked me to explain more about converting units. So here we go. If you're new to this Introductory Physics 1, I highly recommend you to hit the subscribe button, and I would appreciate you guys if you hit the like button too. It encourages me to make more videos for you. You ready? Let's get started. Question 1. A box has a volume of 3 cube meter. Calculate the volume of the box to cube centimeter. So in the video 1, 2, 3, I talk about the conversion units, and I talk about how you guys can use this conversion factor to convert units. And also I solve some basic and challenge questions. So if you haven't watched them yet, I highly recommend you to watch that video first and then come to this video. So I got a couple of comments that, hey, can you walk us through the conversion from cube meter to cube centimeter? And here's the problem. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? And for the volume, which symbol gonna be V, is equal to product of 3 length. So it's gonna be L times L times L, right? So if I'm gonna write it down in terms of the unit, volume gonna be cube meter. Each length gonna be meter times meter times meter, right? For meter, symbol is m, correct? So I know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So if I'm gonna convert this to centimeter, then it's gonna be centimeter to the third is equal to 100 centimeter times, so I'm gonna convert each meter to centimeter. This is for the first one. For the second one, I have 100 centimeter, and for the third one, I'm gonna have 100 centimeter, right? So it's gonna equal to 1 to the 6 centimeter to the third, right? So if I have 3 meters to the third is equal to, now I know 1 meter is equal to 10 to the 6 cube centimeter. So it's gonna be 3 times 10 to the 6 centimeter to the third, right? So this is the answer we are looking for. Question 2. A car is driving with the acceleration of 23 meter second square. Calculate acceleration in meter millisecond square. So the first thing I want you to notice, this m, little m here, is the unit of length, which is meter. And this one is the prefix, which is millimeter. So in the second video, I talk about the prefix and how you can use this prefix. So one of these prefix is milli, which symbol is little m, and this is 10 to the power of minus third, okay? So here we have 23 meter per second square, and we're gonna convert it to the millisecond square, correct? So how is gonna be converted to millisecond square, right? So I know 1 second is equal to, based on this chart I have, is equal to 10 to the minus third millisecond, right? That's a milli for prefix, that little m here. So now I have millisecond square. So 1 second square is equal to 10 minus 3 to the power of 2 millisecond, right? Which is equal to 10 to the minus 6 millisecond, right? So now I have 23 meter to second square times, now I can use this conversion factor to 1 second square to 10 to the minus 6 millisecond square, so that I can use that conversion factor. So second and second should cancel out my first rule, so it must be on a nominator, and it's gonna be 10 to the minus 6. It's gonna be in denominator, right? So now I can cancel out these 2 seconds, correct? Remember, we can treat units as quantities. So these are gonna cancel out, and now I have 23 10 to the minus 6 meter, and remember rules number 2, units don't vanish or appears, so it's gonna be meter per millisecond square, right? The other way I can write it is 23 times 10 to the 6 meter millisecond square, and this is gonna be my final answer. So hopefully you guys learn from this video, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.